Hey, this is Chris with Cycle Source Magazine, Grease and Gears TV, and this is your product spotlight. Today's spotlight, we're going to take a look at the TED Cycle Solo Seat Spring Mounting Kit. Now, a lot of guys will know on a rigid motorcycle, these springs can be some of your only suspension. So even on bikes that are running super short and tight shocks, you can get away with a little more of a comfortable ride by having this kit. This kit is specifically designed for use on a rigid application. Gives you everything here from the nose mount to the spring stand, the springs, the mounting hardware, and the seat tee is in there. Check them out today at DennisKirk.com. Tell them the guys from Grease and Gears Garage sent you.
For more information on the products shown in this video, click on the link in the description box below. Feel free to call us with any questions or place an order at 800-969-7501. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and subscribe.